if you're taking inventory, you got to make sure you pull everything out of the category that you're working on together from everywhere in the house. So let's say you're working on your makeup. Be sure to bring out all your makeup. Yes, even the ones that are hidden, I don't know, the ones in your purse, the ones in the bathroom, even the makeup that you might have in your car. Hello there. Welcome to Home Mistakes. I hope you're all doing well because I'm feeling so happy today. It's a cold day, but the sun is still shining and we're all healthy. That's the most important thing. Well, today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks with you on how you can tackle the mess at home and organize your space. First thing I believe you should do is to block out the time you need to get the job done on your calendar, because planning your organizing is the motivation that you're going to need that will hold you accountable. So give your plan structure so you don't stop halfway before completing it, because that happens quite often. Make sure to be realistic about how much time you want to spend on your project and how much time you will need to complete it, especially if it's a big project. Work on one space at a time. I said it before and I'll say it again. Organization can be a stressful activity. So that's why it's so important for you to start small. Start small by tackling one space of your home at a time to reduce the stress of it all. And try to make it a commitment to schedule, so it becomes like a promise. So choose a place that will significantly impact your everyday life, like maybe your bedroom or your hallway. Your bedroom, because that is the place where you rest, where you sleep, where you're really meant to get the energy that you need for during the day. And the hallway, because it's the first thing you see when you enter your home. You want it to give you that sense of happiness, a sense of being welcome. That's why I believe that those two places are quite important. But then again, it's up to you. You decide what areas of your home have an impact on your everyday life and start with those areas. This will motivate you to move on to tackle the other areas of your home. Before I go any further, beloved, I need you to tap on that subscribe button, because it would help me so much to grow this channel and keep coming back with valuable content to help you make, master, and maintain your happy, holistic home. Share this channel with your friends and family, because they too deserve to have a happy home. Thank you. I think the most important thing you should do, or the thing you should do first, is to assess what you own, because you can't organize clutter. You need to do a bit of work before you start putting the things nice and pretty in place. Once you have decided what space you would like to work on, what you will need is an area to display your items. This will be your staging area. Like, it could be your dining room table, or you could lay a blanket on the floor to mark the area that you will be working on. And then empty wherever you're organizing all the items onto that area, so you can be able to see what you have, and then be able to spot your double items and the things that you want to give away, donate, or sell, and everything you want to keep. Yeah, this will speed up the whole thing. Once you take everything out, you have everything in front of you, then you'll have a clearer picture of what you own, and it would make deciding what to do with all your stuff a lot easier. This is what we call taking inventory of what you own. Now, after this process, you should only have the items you really want to keep in your home. You have to learn to make quick decisions. Don't take too long going through this stuff over and over again. It is so easy to fall into the habit of hoarding things you think you may need or use one day. Even the things you don't even like. Sometimes we think, oh, I'll be able to repair that, I'll be able to fix that, or you never know, maybe then I might need it. So you have to be firm and very honest with yourself at this stage. Remember that everything you keep will need a home. So the size of your space is what really should dictate how much you should keep. You can't have a whole lot of stuff if your space does not permit you to store all the items. So it's the size of your space that decides how much you can keep. Once you've decluttered, the next step is to group your items, to sort your items and combine similar things based on what you use, how you use them, and the occasion that you use them. Once you have everything in front of you, sort them out by categories. It would allow you to see how much of each category you have, making it easier to decide if you need to continue the decluttering or if you have enough or not. If you're taking inventory, you got to make sure you pull everything out of the category that you're working on together from everywhere in the house. So let's say you're working on your makeup. Be sure to bring out all your makeup. Yes, even the ones that are hidden, I don't know, the ones in your purse, the ones in the bathroom, even the makeup that you might have in your car. Bring it all out so you can see what you have. If you're working in your kitchen, make sure you get all the utensils, all the dishes that might be in other parts of the house. Bring them all together, bring them all out, all the gadgets, so you can process everything and sort everything simultaneously. It would make things so much easier when it comes time to organizing everything. Remember, I said you need to assess what you own first. You need to declutter, and then we'll move on to organizing. At this point, I think it's important to say that I believe you should only buy containers when you have completely finished the decluttering process, because only then would you be able to see what you actually need in terms of containers or shelving or other organizing systems. Because once you've finished purging and you've taken inventory of your items, it will help you to assess your needs better. And after having done such a great job decluttering, you want to avoid going out and buying storage and supplies you might end up never using. That doesn't make sense. So be patient, complete the process, and then start thinking about what you're going to buy in terms of containers. Thanks for watching, and remember, an organized home is a happy home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.